Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making apple choco halwa. For this we need apple, Indian cheese or paneer, cocoa powder, melted chocolate, sugar, cardamom, clarified butter and desiccated coconut. So first peel the apple and cut it into the cubes. Now grind the apple. Take 1 teaspoon of clarified butter and then add the apple puree. Mix it and cook it for half a minute. Now grate the paneer and mix it again and cook it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add sugar to taste. Mix it. Now add 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. Add cardamom. Mix it. Add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix it again. Now add 1 teaspoon melted chocolate. Mix it carefully. Now transfer it into a bowl and deep freeze it for 1 hour and your apple choco halwa is ready. Thank you.